Suno just dropped the Studio version 1.1 update, and honestly, this is a massive level up. We're not just hitting generate anymore. We're actually producing music inside the browser. In this video, I'll walk you through every new feature step by step, so you can start using them immediately. Their biggest upgrade is the brand new 6-band EQ. Let's start by creating a bass track with a wide mix, so we can clearly hear the difference.
Woke up in a lightning storm. Heart's a drum that's never worn. Electric veins, they hum and sing. This chaos makes me feel like a king. The sky's on fire, but I'm not scared. Every breath feels like a day.
Sounds solid. Now let's move it into Suno Studio. Here's our song on the timeline. On the right side, you'll notice the panel is now split into two sections: clip settings, track settings. Clip settings has your usual tools: tempo, transpose, volume, speed, and stem extraction. But under track settings, here's the magic: a professional visual EQ with 6 fully adjustable bands. If you're not a mixing expert, no problem. Suno added presets. Click the drop-down, and you'll see options like vocal, bass boost, air, clarity, and more. Let's try the lo-fi preset.
Woke up in a lightning storm. Heart's a drum that's never worn. Electric veins, they hum and sing. This chaos makes me feel like a king. The sky's on fire, but I'm not scared. Every breath feels like a day. I'm alive.
Immediately, the bass drops out, and the epicness of the original song is not there anymore. The vocals have gotten sharper, and our electronic-style track has shifted straight into a lo-fi vibe. But the real power is manual control. For example, if your vocals sound muddy, lower band 1 on the far left to cut low frequencies and clean up the sound. If your vocals sound dull, raise band 6 to add brightness and air. Further, you can adjust frequency, gain, and cue width, just like a real mix engineer. This is huge because AI tracks often feel crowded, and now you can shape them with real precision. Next up, stem cover. This lets you regenerate one stem, without touching anything else in the project. Extract your stems through clip settings, and Suno splits your track into vocals, backups, drums, bass, guitar, percussion, synths. Now let's listen to the vocal stem.
Woke up in a lightning storm. Heart's a drum that's never worn. Electric veins, they hum and sing. This chaos makes me feel like a king. The sky's on fire, but I'm not scared. Every breath feels like a day. I'm alive, I'm electric, I'm untamed.
Sounds great. Very crisp voice. Now let's right-click on that and go for the cover option. We'll convert this into something new. Since our original track was electronic, I'll switch it up to acoustic, country, guitar, fingerpick, with 25% for weirdness and 75% for audio and style influence sliders.
Woke up in a lightning storm. Heart's a drum that's never worn. Electric veins, they hum and sing. This chaos makes me feel like a king. The sky's on fire, but I'm not scared. Every breath feels like a day. I'm alive, I'm electric, I'm untamed. Wired to the beat of the world gone insane. Oh, oh, oh. Can you feel the charge? Oh, oh, oh. Let it hit you hard.
Wow, that's wild! Suno rebuilt a full acoustic song around just the vocal stem. It has the same vocals with its original energy, but Suno has refreshed the melody to perfectly match with our requested changes. Perfect for remixes, new ideas, or replacing a weak part in your track. Now let's look at a completely new feature, loop recording with take lanes. This is great for singing, rapping, or recording instruments. Highlight a 4-bar section, turn on the loop icon, hit record, and Suno will keep looping the section, saving every take you record. No matter how many takes you need, all kept. When you're done, hit the 3 dots and select Show Take Lanes. You'll see all your takes stacked below, version 1, version 2, version 3, all the way down the list. You can listen to each one or combine the best parts to make a perfect performance. This is almost literally a DAW workflow inside your browser. Up top, you'll see 2 blue handles. These define the exact section you want the AI to regenerate. Select a transition, a drum fill, or a small part of your chorus. Now regenerate, and Suno only rewrites what's inside that window. No changes to your intro, no changes to your ending, no accidental edits to your main verses, huge time saver and super controlled. Back on your dashboard, the old list layout is gone. Now you get a clean card-style library with thumbnails, way easier to browse. Plus, a search bar at the top to instantly find any project by name, simple and fast. Multitrack exports used to take forever on complex tracks, like 2-3 minutes. But now, with the new update, multitrack export is up to 75% faster. Less waiting, more creating. These updates, EQ, stem cover, loop recording, take lanes, context window, the new library, and faster exports, show exactly where Suno is heading. This isn't just an AI music generator anymore. This is a real production tool. You can shape, clean your mix, record over your tracks, regenerate only what you want, remix ideas instantly, export faster than ever. Jump in, try the new features, and push your mixes further. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to AI Tunecraft for more Suno deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.